Tilal al Ghaf, and the latest new launch is about to happen, and it's gonna happen around this fabulous crystal lagoon. The beauty of a crystal lagoon, as it's neither chlorinated nor salted, it's actually a really nice neutral mix in between. So when you're swimming in it, you really feel like you're swimming in your bath at home. The beauty about a crystal lagoon beach as opposed to the ocean, nothing's going to bite you or sting you. Nothing is going to be smelly, no sewage. It gets cleaned regularly every single day, and the depth is not that deep. So it is a very family friendly community with a lagoon, and we have villas launching around this new community in the next couple of weeks. 4, 5 and 6 bedroom villas starting from approximately 7 million dirham all the way up to 17 million dirham. These will be ready in 3 years. There are just over 120 villas to be launched, so they're going to sell in minutes. I'm telling you, in minutes. And when they come, you will have a payment plan of 60% between now and 3 years until handover. At handover, you can move in. You've only paid 60%, and then you have another 2 years to make the remaining 40% payment. So that is for a villa around the community, around the water, the Crystal Lagoon here at this exciting new project. And as if that's not enough, I personally bought with this developer in Oman over 10 years ago. I bought off plan, just like I'm sharing here with you. I bought on a piece of paper, and when it was handed over, I moved in. I was really happy, and when I sold it, I made money. So I've personally experienced purchasing off plan with this developer, getting my keys, moving in, having a great time, selling it and moving on and making money. So if that's something that you're interested in, give me a call, shout me. I can get you in the queue to make sure you do not miss out on one of these properties, because they are going to sell like hotcakes. If you want to get in the queue right now, you can even get in touch with me. We can put you and get you reserved in a place. So living around a community like this, a crystal lagoon, this is the newest project at Tilal al Ghaf. Thank you so much for watching. I would really appreciate your comments, your feedbacks, and absolutely for you to share this video far and wide with anyone that you know that is looking for luxury living here in Dubai with this stunning waterscape as your backdrop. Thank you so much for watching. Take